Now let's create a more complex audience. Let's click on Create a new audience, and this time we'll select the rule-based audience. Here, our audience builder offers many different possibilities. So for example, if the messaging of your campaign addresses women in particular, you would have the possibility to exclude male users from the lookalike so that you can ensure your targeted audience fits the messaging of the creatives you've developed. So for this, let's start by selecting users who belong to the lookalike. And we can then add an additional filter to it where we want to exclude users who are designated male within the publisher data. We can also be even more complex and can add an additional filter where we can control the Boolean operator. So here we can decide if we want an or an and logic operation between these two conditions. And we can also add all of the users that are in the parenting and family segment, for example. Obviously, you can even increase the complexity of this and add an entirely new data group. Okay, we can choose to keep all the users from this first data group and combine them with everyone who was designated as an old client. So by playing with this audience builder, you can create more complex audiences that fit your needs. And as a final step here, we can calculate the audience size. Once that's been completed, we can click on Continue. We'll name the new audience. And we'll have access to the definition of the audience, and we'll be able to save it. And again, the audience will appear here, and then I will be able to share it with the publisher, who will then power the activation.